It has been over a year since Santa and his elves in the North Pole invited us for a tour of their factory floor. OEE has never been better, and Santa is as relaxed as ever with Christmas right around the corner. Ever since the installation of AVEVA Solutions, Santa's work life has been as easy as pie. Not to mention with the use of the Pi system, Santa is able to more easily connect data, operations, and his team of elves. Using his AVEVA Remote Operations Center, Santa is able to get a combined view of everything going on, not only at his factory, but at his top secret remote locations. Shh, I promise not to tell. Santa now loves visiting his production floor. With AVEVA MES, he is able to digitally monitor his operation, enabling standardization of operational processes and equipment, all while cutting costs and maintaining productivity and quality. Now that sounds like the gift that keeps on giving. With all this time and cost savings, Santa invested in opening a new facility, his very own candy factory. He wouldn't be able to do it without the help of AVEVA Recipe Management. This allows a reduction in recipe management efforts and automates the recipe formula execution, leaving him and his elves to focus on other tasks. With all this free time, Santa can work on more important things. He made the list, he's checking it twice. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. Happy holidays, everyone, from AVEVA Select, California.